Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic 2 serious issue over water? We'll have that coming right up. I have a disclaimer to read before we get started. Number one, firmware update was completed for both the DJI Mavic 2 Pro and the remote. Second is all flying was done over water or over our house. Third was there were no automated functions that were used during testing today. And last, there are no settings that were adjusted for this test. Let's get into the video. Now, I've had a number of comments from subscribers telling me that their Mavic 2, whether it was a Pro or a Zoom, would descend automatically over water. So I decided to go ahead and run this test today to see if that would actually be the case. I did have Valerie serve not only as my spotter, but as my videographer. So let's go ahead and jump into the test.
Take off.
Go ahead, screen recorder. Let's get that started. 3, 2, 1. Screen is recording.
Has been updated. Please check
We're ready to take off. We got it up at about 70 feet here. We're going to head it out over the lake. Thing looking good. Altitude holding. And go ahead and increase altitude here a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and turn it around. Turn it over to this part of the lake. And we're going to fly a little more down. Altitude is holding. Okay, I'm going to turn the drone around. And we're going to head back. Altitude is holding. Okay, I'm going to turn the drone back around and we're going to head back out over the lake. I'm going to decrease the altitude. Down to about 65 feet, and we're going to head back out over the lake. Altitude is holding. I'm going to stop. Let's turn it around. Come back. Altitude holding at 65 feet. Okay, we're gonna move it down here a little bit. I'm gonna lower the altitude a little more. Down to about 50 feet. Let's get down to about 45. There's right at 45, 46. I'm going to go ahead and take one last spin out over the lake here. Okay, altitude holding at 45 feet. Okay, going to turn it around. Let's go ahead and drop the altitude a little more here. And drop it down to about 35 here. So 36 feet, 35. 35 and hold, 35, 36 feet and holding. These tests were conducted at 110 feet, 65 feet, 45 feet, and 35 feet. My results: no descent was noticed at any altitude. I do want to have a final disclaimer though. If you should have this problem and experience a descent over water as indicated by some of my subscribers, please reach out and contact DJI support immediately and stop flying your Mavic 2. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.